In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add SVG icons to Squarespace. We're going to do this in two simple parts. First, upload your SVG to Squarespace to get a reliable file URL, and second, embed that SVG on your page using a code block. This approach keeps your icons crisp at any size and easy to reuse. Start by opening the Squarespace editor and navigating to any page. Add a basic text block. Inside that text block, click the link button, then select the gear icon to open the advanced link settings. Choose the file option. This is a handy way to upload files that aren't standard images. Upload your SVG file from your computer. When it appears in the list, click it so a checkmark shows next to the file name, then click Save. Back in the link field, you'll see a file URL for your SVG. Highlight that link and copy it to your clipboard. Quick tip, it helps to keep your SVG file name short and clean. Also, make sure your SVG is safe and optimized, no embedded scripts, just paths and shapes. Now go to the place on your page where you want the icon to appear and add a code block. In that code block, paste the example code provided in your guide or template. You'll see a placeholder path that looks like an SVG file. Replace that placeholder with the exact SVG link you copied a moment ago. Next, update the placeholder alt text with a short, meaningful description of your icon. This helps screen readers and improves accessibility, and it can provide a tiny SEO boost. Adjust the height value to set the size that looks best on desktop and mobile. If you need different sizes across devices, you can set a reasonable default height here and fine-tune with your site's design settings later. Keep in mind that SVGs scale proportionally, so changing height is usually enough to get a perfect fit without blurring. Most importantly, keep the quotation marks exactly as they appear in the example code. Misplaced or missing quotes can cause the code to fail. When you're done, apply your changes and preview the page. You should now see a crisp, scalable SVG icon exactly where you want it. If it doesn't show, double check that you use the correct file link, that you replace the placeholder text fully, and that your code block is rendering the output rather than showing the source. That's it. Your SVG icon is now uploaded, embedded, and ready to go on Squarespace.